This tutorial will teach you how to make a cute cowl scarf that uses buttons for a closure. You can use fleece or flannel fabric for this, or anything that is nice and cozy. You can download the free pattern that I made by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the scarf front and back together with right sides together. Make sure to leave a small gap in the center. Then you want to turn the scarf to the right side through that gap. You can press the sides of the seam and top stitch if you want to. Make sure that you sew up the gap. Now it's time to get the buttonholes. Using the markings on the pattern, sew the buttonholes in place. Sewing buttonholes does vary depending on your sewing machine, so I recommend that you read your machine's manual. Buttonholes on the pattern were made for 1-inch buttons, so if you're using different size buttons, then make sure to change the size of your holes as well. Now all you need to do is sew your buttons in place according to the markings on the pattern. And you're finished. You have a really cool looking button neck scarf.